My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker that is called search.searchbob.com. If searchers from a web browser's address bar are being redirected through search.searchbob.com, then you most likely have an unwanted browser extension or a malicious program installed in your browser. The site searchbob.com promotes this fake search engine called search.searchbob.com. This is classified as a browser hijacker because it actually changes your default search engine. And whenever you start submitting any search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some other search engine that has not been chosen by you before. This can be the search engine, the fake search engine that you have never heard of before. So very often such hijackers may be spread with integration with some free programs, or they may be also promoted through fake browser update alerts. So be very careful, don't interact with them. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find anything suspicious, get rid of it. Also, we recommend you to check the list of your available browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here. We also recommend researching the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help to detect and delete all other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.